In this short video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can integrate n8n with Gmail to gain access to your email so you manage clients, handle deadlines, and stay on top of all your communication. My name is Palmer. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button so I can keep on creating more of these videos for you guys. So, not going to waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. So obviously, you need to have n8n installed on your computer. If you don't have that yet, then check the description below for the link. You can get access to that and get a 14-day trial. Either way, once you have this all installed on your computer, you'll have a little blank workspace right here. All you gotta do is click this little plus sign, or over here, same thing, type in Gmail, click on that. It'll give you just one trigger because it'll be on message received. Once you have that open, you can choose down, pick the little drop down and choose create a new credential. Click on open docs. I don't read any of this, to be honest, and it's just super simple. Just go to Google Cloud, opens up this screen right here. Click on console. Actually, wait. Before you do that, make sure you're in the right email. So click on the same email that you're currently using, use that. Close down the other one. From here, you can create a new project. So you click on the top here, click on new project, name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it demo, create. Give it a second to populate. Just takes like a second. Select project. And how you can verify you're in the right one is at the very top left there. It'll say demo. Once you're there, go click on this little hamburger icon. Go to API and services. OAuth consent screen. Get started. Give it a name. I'm going to call it demo like I did before. Same email. Next. Audience. External. Next. Same email. Next. I agree. Continue. Create. Once that's done, go over to create OAuth client. Application type is web application. Name it whatever you want. Same thing. I'm just going to call it demo. Go down here, click on add URI. Where you get this information from is from n8n. Just click copy, come back to where it is, paste it, create. Now you have clear client ID. You can copy that, come back to n8n, paste this into the client ID. Before you get any further, you need the secret. So you just click on OK. Little pencil icon. Now you have the secret. Copy that. Come back to n8n. Paste it in. Before you go any further, this won't actually work. So what you got to do is come back to the Google console. Go to audience because you need to give yourself a test user, which is most likely yourself. So add users right there. Type in whatever email it is that you're using, which is right there. I like to give my personal one as well. Save. Boom. Now you are done. You can come back to n8n, click on sign in with Google. Make sure you choose the same email account that you just created. Right there. Continue. Select all. Continue. And you are done. You see this little green bar there? That means you're done. You can rename this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it demo. Save. This will not work until you actually give it access to the API. So what you do is come back to the console, go into Gmail in the search bar, find the API, click on that. Then click on enable. It takes a couple seconds. There you have it. You are now connected to Gmail and n8n that can communicate with each other and can pull all your emails, handle all your tasks, and basically respond for you whenever you want. And that is literally it. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and notification bell so I can keep on creating more content for you guys to show you exactly how you can leverage AI into your daily or business life, because this is the new revolution today. Thanks for sticking around to the very end. If you want to learn more about AI automations and n8n, then please check out this next video.